Well, snow fell throughout the overnight, and I know it is late April. Either snow is unwanted or just downright despised. But we did have a decent amount of snow fall farther off to the west here, closer to Ironwood, more between 3 to 4 inches closer to their region. Farther off to the north into Houghton, closer to 2 to 3, and around Marquette, around 1 to 2 inches have fallen thus far. Official numbers not in yet, but we are still seeing more of that light snow throughout the region, so we could even pick up more as we head into the evening. But it does look as we head into the overnight, snow showers will decrease. 27 degrees, snow falling across the region, north-northwest winds at 12 miles per hour. So look at real field temperatures currently in the teens. Not only do we have the snow, but we also have the wind and the cold air, and we are at 27 here in Marquette, but farther off to the west, seeing conditions that are just cooler in Ontonagon at 25 degrees, 28 in Houghton, more the 30s as you go farther south in Florence and Menominee, both at 30 degrees, and upper 20s in Munising, while at 34 in Escanaba, 30 degrees in Iron Mountain, and Ishpeming currently at 27. Your winds are coming in from the northwest, and that is continuing to bring in more of that cool air from the north, and we are at 12 in Marquette, 14 in Iron Mountain, very windy in Houghton at 20 miles per hour, and at 15 in Munising, and Ironwood currently at 14 miles per hour. And temperatures across the state, 30s and 20s for us across the UP. Farther to the south, seeing more of the 30s across the northern half of the lower peninsula, while 40s still down into Flint and Detroit. And wind chills, I know you're seeing more of that pink on there, so definitely bundle up if you're going to be heading out later on this evening or tonight. Currently at 16 in Marquette, 16 in Ironwood, while at 19 in Iron Mountain, and well, Escanaba in the 20s for you, 25 degrees. For our headlines, we'll be noticing that the snow will ease, so not going to see quite as heavy snow, and then also not as much snow as we have seen throughout the afternoon and last night. But sun will eventually return with high pressure building in later into the afternoon on Thursday. It looks like we do keep a slight chance of a flurry early Thursday morning in the forecast, but eventually we'll see more of that sun heading into the afternoon and the evening. And Friday looks to be very sunny for us, as well as temperatures will rebound closer to average. But here's our setup. High pressure making its way down from the north. That is going to set up shop across the Great Lakes and really clears out as we head into tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. But for right now, we do have a few more of those light snow flurries and snow showers for this evening and tonight. And tomorrow, high pressure is building in right farther to our south down into Indiana. But we're going to notice with this too, with high pressure moving in right overhead at times, that's going to allow skies to clear out for us and allow for some very chilly overnight temperatures into the 20s, not only for tonight, but even as we head into tomorrow night and maybe even getting closer to Friday night as well. But here's our futurecast model. You'll notice that the snow activity really begins to die off as we head later into the night. Early tomorrow morning, just a few speckles of that blue on there. That's the snow that will decrease as we head into the afternoon, as well as the clouds, and seeing a lot of sun heading into tomorrow evening. Maybe a few clouds as we get closer to Friday as the system passes off to our south, but that won't be affecting us much at all, and we'll still see a decent amount of sunshine for us in the region. 23 degrees, winds decreasing throughout the night, winds around 10 to 15 miles per hour coming in from the northwest. And for your Thursday forecast, we'll see some of those AM flurries, but then really seeing the sun work its way back into the region. Winds high once again between 15 to 25 miles per hour. So even though temperatures look to rebound back into the middle 30s in Lawrence, middle 40s in Crystal Falls at 45 degrees, 45 in Iron Mountain, and at 36 in Munising, we're going to feel more like the upper 20s and the lower 30s throughout the afternoon. So make sure to grab that jacket with you, and also for the kids tomorrow morning, because they'll need it with wind chills in the teens. Temperatures, air temperatures, 23 degrees for us in Marquette, and a slight chance of that light snow or either a few flurries. And for the rest of your 7-day forecast, we'll see temperatures rebound after tomorrow's 37. We'll be back in the 40s Friday and Saturday, seeing a lot of sunshine, maybe a few more clouds for us on Sunday, but temps continue their upward trend. We'll see the upper 40s heading into Monday, and then by next Tuesday and Wednesday, maybe even getting close to the 50s.